too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. Ticket, I want you in my life. Yeah. I feel a mile high.
I forgot to do lips. Where is it? Found her. I am using Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips in the color JK Magic. I love this. No, I don't know what I did, but I smushed it. It's okay, it still works, thank God. My lips are so dry. I need to do a lip treatment. So welcome back to my channel. I'm falling again, jeez. We are gonna do vlogs once a week, and I'm super excited about the Summer Diaries because huge announcement, we are moving to the beach literally in less than 30 days. We're moving 400 miles away from our friends and family, so that's a big scary jump, but we do also have family down at the coast too, so we're not like moving to a foreign country or anything, so we're super excited about that. But anyways, enough of the chit chat. I do have an Amazon package coming in. I think there's only 3 things in this package that's coming, but I'm still going to show you guys because they're 3 really cute things. We are going to be shooting some content today, and then I will just take you on whatever else I decide to do. I'll probably put it in the description, so you might see in the title kind of what to expect. But yeah, let's go ahead and start episode 2 of our Summer Diaries. It is now 2:30 in the afternoon, and we are just getting our day started. If you guys follow me on social media, you know I've said it before, I am not an iced coffee girl, but it is the summer. I have this beautiful Nespresso machine, and I don't know, iced coffee just hits differently at home when you're trying to get your crap together. If you guys are truly watching this video, I am going to give one of you guys an iced coffee on me. So comment down below 5 coffee emojis and I will pick one of you to receive a coffee on me, but you have to be subscribed to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I will be DMing you for your email so you can get an iced coffee on me. We're gonna make an iced lavender latte.
Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right.
Isn't she cute? Let's do a taste test because I'll be honest, I haven't made a lavender latte at home yet, so we'll see. Not bad. I don't know why every time I have a lavender latte, to me personally, it tastes like Fruit Loops. Like it literally tastes like a Fruit Loop latte, which I'm not mad about. Okay, so now that I've got my life together, kind of, I'm going to change my outfit and going to film some reels, and I'll take you guys behind the scenes with me on how I do that. Okay, I'm kind of whispering because Maddox just laid down for a nap, and he's a good sleeper, but we fought it for a minute, so if he hears me talking, he might wake up. But here is the first outfit I am going to shoot. White Levi's, a basic top that I got off of Amazon, my straw bag, and some Corky's sandals. As I set my tripod right here, but in front of a mirror, because I want to use my back camera, put it up against a mirror so that like when I stand in front of this camera, I can also see it in the mirror so that I know like if I'm in the shot or not, because if you are also a content creator, you know that the front camera quality is not as good as the back. So if you don't already know this hack, now you do. The more you know, the more you grow, right? Now I'm going to go film this reel. I'm gonna do like a week of Amazon outfits. Okay, so I just finished filming 7 outfits for one video. We're gonna see if I can break that up into several different videos. I hope I can, but it's a really cute, like, week's worth of neutral Amazon outfits. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys here. I worked pretty hard on that, changing into 7 different outfits while entertaining a kid. It took some time, so we got that done. I'm unfortunately not gonna have time to go do my nails now, but I did in the process break one. So we're gonna do that first thing in the morning. Since this is the last outfit that I ended up filming, this is the one that I'm actually gonna wear out. We're just gonna go to dinner and go get my niece a birthday gift. So I will take you guys along with me on that. And then as soon as my Amazon package comes in, I will unbox that with you and do a little try on. I just have one dress and then 2 other things, but I'll show you guys that. Okay, so it says between Sadie. Okay, it says between 5:15 and 7, but as you can tell, my dog is barking. It is almost 6 o'clock. There's a truck outside my door, so I'm gonna go check and see if it is Amazon. And it was. Let's see what we got. So I got the sunglasses. If you watched my last video, you know I was talking about the different types of sunglasses. I have a ton of sunglasses from Amazon, but dog, she has no personal space. The black sunglasses I had in my last video, they're just a little bit bigger, and these are like the more viral pair that I've been seeing. I do like them. I think they're a little too big. May return these, but I'll link them down below if you guys like them. They're just a little too big for my face personally. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna have to try this one on for you because I was looking for some like Sophia Richie inspired outfits and a silk dress. I don't know. I will show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like and then what it looks like on me. I was trying to find a designer looking bag for less. Somehow out of all the bags that I have and that you just saw in that little video that I just filmed, I don't have a good black bag. Oh, she's cute. She's a keeper. And the price, y'all, look how stunning this bag is. That same brand, so in my last video where I showed you my Amazon favorites, the Petite Simone brand, they have the best looking bags for the best prices.
You feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down.
Okay, so change of dinner plans. Reed got home late and Maddox fell right asleep. It's 7:35 and he usually goes to bed around 8, so I guess we're going to bed early for the night. I'm gonna go get dinner. We're gonna do Thai takeout. This mama literally has not been out of the house in probably 2 or 3 days. I need to get out, so I voted myself to go get dinner tonight. Let's go. Got the food. That place was an absolute madhouse. So one of the reasons I'm really happy that we're moving is like we both grew up here. So I've been here for 27 years. I had to like drive around the parking lot for 5 or 10 minutes just to get a to-go parking spot because it is jam-packed right now. That was fun. Sorry, my neighbors are walking by. They're probably looking at me like I'm a freak filming in my car. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside. We're going to eat dinner and then I am going to do a little self-care and then I'm going to bed because tomorrow is jam-packed. I'm hungry. It's literally 8:30. I'm sure Reed is wondering where the heck I'm at. So I'm gonna go in, we're gonna eat, and then get this night over with.
People look like it's now.